The most fascinating things in the world that even scientists couldn't believe. Number 7. Russia. A country famous for its extreme cold. Certain areas in Russia, known as tundras, are vast plains covered entirely in snow. In these icy regions live the nomads, people whose lives during winter are incredibly challenging. Every aspect of their life is filled with hardships. During winters, they struggle for every basic necessity. Their way of living is completely different from other Russians. The cold is so severe here that an average person would fall sick within days. The tundra's temperature is unimaginably low, and yet these nomads have been living here for generations. Not only do they survive these tough conditions, but they also preserve their culture and traditions. They use unique methods to combat the cold, such as building ice houses and wearing woolen clothing. Number 6. Now let's talk about a cucumber that will leave you astonished. This isn't just any ordinary cucumber. The moment you touch it, it detaches from the plant and squirts a stream of liquid while its seeds shoot out at a surprising speed. The fascinating part is, sometimes this cucumber squirts even without being touched. This unique behavior helps its seeds spread far and wide, allowing new plants to grow in different places. But beware, this cucumber isn't edible as it contains poison. If consumed by mistake, it could be life-threatening. Number 5. Flying in planes is pretty common these days, but have you ever noticed that pilots are almost always clean-shaven or have very short beards? There's an important reason behind this. Pilots aren't banned from growing beards, but different airlines have specific guidelines. Most airlines recommend pilots to remain clean-shaven or keep their beards short. This is because planes fly at very high altitudes where oxygen levels can drop. In such conditions, if a pilot has a long beard, the oxygen mask might not fit properly. This could lead to a lack of oxygen, which is extremely dangerous for the pilot's safety. That's why pilots are so particular about their grooming. Number 4. Do you know the most expensive thing ever made by humans? The answer is the International Space Station. This incredible station orbits Earth every 92 minutes at an astonishing speed of around 27,600 kilometers per hour. To put it more precisely, its speed is roughly 8 kilometers per second. It's considered one of humanity's greatest achievements in science and technology. It features fully functional modules, labs, and living facilities. Built through the collaboration of multiple countries, its total cost runs into billions of dollars. Number 3. In the depths of the Indonesian Ocean, there's an extraordinary and rare fish called the ribbon eel. This fish looks like a snake, making it even more unique. The male ribbon eel is deep blue in color, while the female is green. This fish is usually found in the deep sea, making it a rare sight. Its species is completely different from other fishes, and scientists consider it a remarkable example of marine life. Due to its rarity, it can only be observed in the deep waters of the ocean. Number 2. Did you know that many farmers today are earning millions through goat farming? This is no joke. It's the reality. Goat farming is a business that, when done right, can yield significant profits. Starting this venture requires effort and initial investment. A good farm and proper training are essential. However, once your setup is stable, your earnings can grow exponentially. Goat farming has become increasingly popular in states like Punjab and many others across the country. Many farmers now rely entirely on goat farming for their livelihoods. The best part about this business is its consistent demand. Whether it's milk, meat, or wool, goat products fetch great value in the market. Number 1. Have you ever wondered why vehicles like bikes, cars, or trucks have silencers at the back, but tractors always have silencers in the front? The reason is that tractors are agricultural vehicles designed to move through rough terrain, mud, and dirt-filled areas. If the silencer is placed at the back, it risks getting clogged with dirt, stones, or other debris, which could damage the tractor and its engine. Another benefit of placing the silencer in the front is that it's easier to maintain. Keeping it clean and functional becomes simpler, ensuring it works efficiently for a longer period. This is why the silencer on a tractor is always placed at the front. If you've watched this far, don't forget to like and share the video.